What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be installing the new headlights, the GTR style headlights that I got for the G37. These headlights are from AKKON, so we're going to get started on the install. Let's get it. So far, we already got the bumper off. The bumper is actually very simple to take off. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of videos already on YouTube about it. But there's a bolt on this corner of the bumper, and then on the other side, you got a bunch of clips up top. If you do have your underground splash guards, I guess that's what it's called. You can take those clips out as well. Do you need to take those clips out to take the full bumper off?
For the headlights, you're just gonna take the top part off.
Okay, so just take the top part of the bumper, and then you can access the headlight like that. And then there's 3 bolts, right? Or 2?
For what?
For the headlight.
There's 5.
Shit. Holy shit, I almost lied to y'all. There's 5 of them. Wait, where they at?
So there's gonna be 2 here.
Okay.
There's gonna be 1 right here. And then one of these 2.
Okay. Oh, we gonna bolt both of them and see what happens.
And then there's, if you look right down in here, there's one right there. Right up there.
Say that. So there's 5 of them total. Once you take all 5 out, then the headlight should slide out, but don't pull it all the way out. I'm gonna show you guys why. It's still connected to the wires in the back, so you're gonna need to unhook those before you're able to pull the entire headlight out. All right, so what he's saying is that the headlight, there's a harness that's connected to the headlight, and you need like a needle nose pliers to get it out. So I'm gonna record up top. Oh, so it's right here. You guys can see that.
Right here.
Yep, right what he has in his hand. These needle nose pliers. Right out. You're saying that if they have a fender liner, it's difficult to get to it?
Yeah. From
Okay.
the top, it's difficult to get to.
Okay, so if you have a fender liner, you probably won't be able to get to it from the top. You'd have to go under. So once you guys get the headlight out, you guys are gonna need to take the ballast off, which is right there. So it's gonna be these 2 right here. And all it is just a Phillips head. Take this off. This comes off, and then it's gonna be 3 bolts. It's this one, that one, and this one to get the ballast off. And then underneath is another Phillips head. It says baby Phillips head. Just take that out. To be honest with y'all, I don't know if you still need the hardware or not, but I'll hold on to them just to fuck. All right, so now we're going on to the new headlight with the ballast. So again, you're just gonna take off the clear piece. On the other headlight, it was black. And you're basically just reversing your steps. So exactly how you had it before, you're gonna do the same thing but backwards. It's hard, man. So you're gonna go over to this headlight and unscrew that one. There you go. Alright, so we've been sitting here for about 15 minutes trying to figure this out. It's supposed to be something simple, but we made it a little bit more difficult than it should. But you wanna explain to them what you did?
Alright, so the bulb lines up with this little indent right here, and then these hangers right here, you just bend them and tuck them under the little slats right here, and then after that the bulb should stay still.
Perfect. All right, so now it's just assembly time. We're gonna put it back together and put it back on the car. Let's get it. So again, all you need to do is plug this in, but this is a little bit more difficult because it's all the way to the tip. Pause. We don't have a lot of room, so we're gonna have to actually put it back in. You just put the headlight right back in, let it slide back into its place. Then I'm gonna plug it in from the back. All right, so after we put the headlight in the first time just to test it, make sure all the lights was working and everything, we realized that the fitment wasn't as good, so we took the headlight back out. The bracket that I was telling you guys about earlier, that bracket just needs to be tightened down but closer towards the headlight. And then you're gonna need 2 people to help with this job. One screws, the other one push the headlight in. And while you do that, you just push the headlight to the fitment that you want, and then the other person just screws the bottom in. But what I see that worked was these 2 bolts is what stopped the fitment from moving. So now it's a lot better than what it was before. So we get it right there. Done. They actually look really good. Take a look at them. I know you guys probably can't see it right now, but they look freaking amazing. So I did ceramic coat it like you guys saw earlier. Headlights are ceramic coated. There's a little bit of fingerprints on them, so I'm gonna wipe them off as soon as I get home. And I love the outlook of these. They look amazing. AKKON, they did an amazing job with this. I can't lie. So one thing I'm probably gonna do in the future for my fog light right here, this is a yellowish color, they're not LED. I'm gonna switch those out and make them RGB, like demon headlights or demon bulbs, to where I can change the colors whenever I want so that it can look a lot better. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.